Today's the day, a much nicer day here in Mandurah, Western Australia, and we're heading out today with the vessel behind me, the Randell 41. Now this engine here previously had a pair of Volvo TAMD 70 marine engines in it, and they've just been repowered with a pair of FPT NEF 400 marine engines, derated down to 330 horsepower to ensure that the existing twin disc gearboxes and the existing propellers and shafts can be reused. Putting some fuel in it now, and very shortly we're going to turn the key and show you just how THT can offer you a very cost-effective repower to ensure older vessels like this amazing and well-built Randell can really live another full life. Come on board. So the Randell behind me, we've just been out for sea trials, the conditions were amazing, and it really allowed us to showcase just how efficient the NEF 400 marine engines are. So we found ourselves with a really comfortable cruise at 2000 RPM, burning about 24 litres per hour per engine, achieving about 20 knots. Now that's excellent for cruise. As we came back down to 1400 RPM, we saw our fuel drop away to about 15 litres per hour per engine. We topped out at 26 knots. The NEF engine are an incredibly quiet engine, and the performance was really on hand. So as soon as the throttles were moved, we saw these engines activate, they powered up, and they were out of the hole, and straight away we were moving. I highly would recommend considering the FPT NEF marine engine as a repower option for your vessel if you're looking for an excellent quality engine, very well priced, and the fact that THT can tailor a solution to suit your vessel, no matter the age, so we can give it a new lease on life. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video with this great Randell, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.